What will happen when you bury half an onion in the soil? The answer may surprise you because this simple act can spark powerful changes in your garden. Here's how it works. Take one fresh onion and cut it in half. Before placing it in the ground, sprinkle 1 spoon of turmeric powder on the cut surface. Turmeric acts as a natural shield, protecting the soil from harmful microbes while encouraging healthier roots. Now, bury the onion about 3 to 4 inches deep, near your plants or in an open spot in your garden bed. As the onion decomposes, it releases valuable nutrients like sulfur and phosphorus, both of which are essential for root strength, leaf growth, and natural pest resistance. At the same time, the turmeric helps balance the soil environment, keeping it rich and supportive for beneficial organisms. This creates healthier soil, stronger stems, and vibrant green foliage. Within weeks, you'll notice your plants looking more alive, more resilient, and better protected, all from one simple step. So, the next time you want to give your garden a natural boost, bury half an onion with turmeric and let nature do the rest. Happy gardening, and may your soil always stay full of life.